Good morning children. Welcome to NV Kishore Master channel Physics. Today we discuss about latent heat. It is also one of the important concept in it. The definition is the heat energy required to change a phase from solid to liquid or a liquid to gas at a constant temperature is called latent heat. The latent heat is denoted with L and L is equals to Q by M. Let us understand the definition. Here during the phase change, phase means liquid phase, solid phase or a gaseous phase, or liquid state, gaseous state or a solid state. There are in nature the phase or a state there exists in three forms: solid form, liquid form and a gaseous form. So a phase changes from solid to liquid or liquid to gas. To turn from solid to liquid or liquid to gas, how much energy is required by absorption or released at a constant temperature is called latent heat. Now let us explain how it takes place or it changes from solid to liquid or liquid to gas at a constant temperature. How it happens, let us understand. I take some ice cubes in a container. Now what happens? After some time the ice cubes melt and they are turned into water. It shows that the state A, it is in the solid form. The B, it shows that the state B, it shows that it is the water. Here when the ice cubes that are melt, the temperature of these is 0 degree centigrade, and also after melting when they turn into water their temperature is also 0 degree centigrade. So at a constant temperature the process of the solid which is turned into water takes place. That's why here I write at a constant temperature a phase from solid to liquid or liquid to gas it takes place. How it takes place, let us explain. Already the ice cubes have some energy inside them. Latent means the energy which is hidden in a substance. How it happen at a constant temperature? Because substances have some hidden energy inside them. That hidden energy that it helps to change from one form to another. That's why at a constant temperature, the latent heat helps to change from one state to another state. That's why the definition is the heat energy required, whether it by absorption or released, that a phase change from solid to liquid or liquid to gas at a constant temperature is called latent heat. We should consider about this definition that at a constant temperature we should be right when you write the definition of latent heat. It is denoted with L. L is equals to, the formula is Q by M, or Q is equal to L into M. L into M. Another example is I take some water with another container and boiled with the help of heater. This water it get heated after some time and the water get evaporated after few minutes when it reaches after 100 degrees centigrade. When the temperature of water when it reaches 100 degrees centigrade, then it get started boiled. That means it get evaporated in the form of steam. Up to 99 degrees centigrade, the water just heated up but not evaporated. When it is reaches the 100 degrees centigrade of temperature, then the water which is evaporated gets hotted. That means there is some hidden temperature inside the water that it keep and it's moving from 0 degrees to 100 degrees. It helps to reach the water to meet 100 degrees centigrade. When it meet the 100 degrees centigrade, the hidden heat inside the water, it helps for the last drop of water which is evaporated at this temperature only, but not 101, 102, 103. It never exceeded the temperature of 100 degrees centigrade. At the 100 degrees centigrade, the total water inside this container, for the last drop of water containing in it which is evaporated, it is occur at 100 degrees only. That means this is the evaporation of water which is takes place at a constant temperature at 100 degrees centigrade. That's why here during the phase change from solid to liquid or a liquid to gas, it happen at a constant temperature. That heat energy is called latent heat. L is equal to Q by M. And also units of latent heat. Units of latent heat. Already L is equals to Q by M in CGS units. In CGS, what are the units of heat? Calorie. What are the units of mass in CGS units? Gram. In SI units, in a SI system, the units of heat are the units of heat in SI system joules by the units of mass in SI system that are kgs. So these are the units of latent heat in CGS and SI system. Now let us write the definition of latent heat of fusion. What is latent heat of fusion? It is very simple definition, that the phase change from solid to liquid. The heat energy is required to convert 1 gram of solid completely into liquid at a constant temperature. At a constant temperature means without rising any temperature on the substance, that it turns from solid to liquid. This is called fusion. Fusion means a substance that it turns or change from solid state to solid phase or solid state or phase, solid phase to liquid phase or liquid state. The energy required that it turns or change from solid phase to liquid phase, the energy is required is 80 calorie per gram. So it is the value of the latent heat of fusion. Okay. Here also the definition of latent heat of vaporization. It's also state that at a constant temperature. We should mention, when you write the definition of these two, we should mention at a constant temperature only the given state of matter or solid or liquid, they turn into liquid or gas. Okay, right. The heat energy required to change 1 gram of liquid turn into or change into gas at a constant temperature is called latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of vaporization. It's also takes place, it's also happen at constant temperature, that it 1 gram of liquid it turns into gas. That energy which is required that is called latent heat of vaporization. Here, therefore, 1 gram of liquid, it turns into vapor at a constant temperature. So the energy required to change the 1 gram of liquid, it turns into vapor at a constant temperature, that is Q. For the mass of substance M, it is also L is equal to Q by M, or Q is equal to L into M. How much energy that is needed to turn 1 gram of liquid to vapor? The energy is which is utilized to turn 1 gram of liquid into vapor, it is 540 calorie per gram. It is the value of latent heat of evaporation. 540 calorie per gram is the value for 1 gram of the heat value, the heat energy which is required for 1 gram of liquid, it turns into vapor at a constant temperature. It is the latent heat of evaporation value. So this is the concept of latent heat. By subscribing my channel, you get notifications of my new physics videos.